the time we reach the year 2050, we will witness extraordinary advancements in technology that will profoundly impact our daily lives. One of the most significant developments will be the progress of artificial intelligence, AI. AI systems will undergo remarkable improvements, becoming more advanced, intelligent, and capable of transforming numerous industries. These advancements will revolutionize sectors ranging from healthcare to transportation, finance to manufacturing. AI will significantly enhance automation processes, leading to innovative changes that will redefine our interactions with technology. In the coming years, we expect to see the widespread presence of autonomous vehicles on our roads, providing us with safer and more efficient transportation options. Self-driving cars, trucks, and delivery drones will seamlessly navigate through our cities and highways, significantly reducing traffic congestion, minimizing carbon emissions, and transforming the concept of travel. Additionally, the field of robotics will continue to progress, resulting in more sophisticated and versatile machines. These advanced robots can undertake complex tasks and assist humans across various sectors, such as healthcare, manufacturing, and household chores. From automated surgeons performing intricate surgeries with precision to factories operating seamlessly without human intervention, these advancements in robotics will streamline processes, boost productivity, and redefine our understanding of what is achievable. Section 2.